So here is how to switch in between modes on your Samsung phone. So Samsung comes with a default built-in called modes and routines. So when you click on it, you can see there is a mode based on what you're doing, or your phone settings will change to match that particular activity you're doing. So for example, sleep. When you click on sleep, you can see that my setting is turn on automatically at 10 p.m. You see that 10 p.m. every day, and then turn it off at 5 a.m. So you can change maybe your sleep time. Instead of 10, let's do 9 p.m. Done. So every time it clocks 9, it's gonna go into sleep mode. Then you save and then click on done. And then we have theater mode. So you can minimize distractions when you're in a theater. To do that, you can choose the time period. And if you go to that theater every day, you can put that particular time you're always there. And when you're done, you just click on done. Next, you can choose to turn on do not disturb mode, or calls and messages none allowed for the theater mode. And then click on next, and then turn it to dark mode. Click. You see, theater mode turned on. You can turn it off by clicking on it and then click on turn off. You see a notification, it's been turned off. And then driving, you can put your phone on driving mode. You can connect to Bluetooth if you are, and then click on done. Next, also when you're in exercise mode, you can just click on start during workout. Next, and then you can avoid these phone distractions from here. It's you either play music or you can choose that, and then you can choose a Spotify playlist and then click on done. Same goes to prayer mode. So my prayer mode is immediately when I wake up, the first 10 minutes, that is 5 a.m. to 5:10. And then you can add a custom mode and whatever, food or whatever, and add it here. So basically this is how to work around modes and routines in a Samsung phone. So here are the modes. When I check on my routines, you can see they're all here. You can make that your favorite if you want to for all these. So thank you. See you in the next one.